Welcome to Rust Structs. Today we'll learn how to create custom data types using structs. Structs let you group related data together and add methods to work with that data. This is fundamental to writing organized Rust code. Structs are custom data types in Rust. A struct groups related data together. Opening nvim to define our struct. We define a struct with the struct keyword. Each field has a name and type. In main, we create an instance. Initialize each field with a value. Access fields using dot notation. Reviewing our struct code. Compiling with rustc. Running our program. The struct holds our person's data. Now, let's add methods to our struct. Opening nvim to create rectangle. First, we define the rectangle struct. Impl block adds methods to our struct. The area method takes in self as parameter. New is an associated function, like a constructor. In main, we use rectangle new. Call the area method with dot notation. Reviewing our struct with methods. Compiling our program. Running to see the result. The area method calculated 10 times 5. Using Derive to add traits to structs. Opening nvim to create point. The Derive attribute adds traits automatically. Our point struct has X and Y fields. Creating a point instance. Debug trait lets us print with : question mark. Clone creates a copy of the struct. PartialEq enables equality comparison. Reviewing our derived struct. Compiling the program. Running to see the output. Great job! You've learned how to create structs to group data, add methods with impl blocks, and use Derive to automatically implement traits. Structs are the foundation of Rust's type system. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.